Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a recovery environment, get a working PC, a 4GB or larger USB, and note the exact model name. Download the Chrome OS recovery image using the recovery utility on the working computer. This supplies the correct firmware and system files. Once done, create the USB installer and verify the checksum if available, because corrupted media causes repeated failures. Make sure to keep power connected to the target device and remove any micro SD cards. Those can confuse the installer. Now flash and reinstall Chrome OS using the USB installer. Power off, insert the USB, then boot into recovery, commonly ESC plus refresh plus power. Follow on-screen prompts to restore the image. This replaces system partitions and most software faults. If the device refuses to accept the image, it may have firmware protection. Enable developer mode when safe, or use the official firmware recovery script for your model. Once flashing completes, let the device reboot fully, so the recovery process finalizes partitions and system integrity checks. Finish by completing initial setup. Connect Wi-Fi, sign into your account, and confirm apps in sync are restoring. If you still face boot loops or errors, run built-in diagnostics or reset the internal storage and cables if accessible. Should issues persist, perform a factory reset, and, as a last resort, reflash firmware using the model-specific utility. This repairs corrupted firmware. One key troubleshooting tip: if recovery repeatedly fails, recreate the USB on another PC and test a different USB stick. Many failures trace back to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.